Does your computer run slowly? Well, if it does, one of the causes might be that your computer is running some processes from programs on your computer that you never use. If you do a Control-Alt-Delete and then turn on your task manager, it will show you what programs are running on your computer. And that doesn't look like many. But if you go down here and click More Details, it will show you the background processes that are also running on your computer. There are 98 of them in my case. And as you can see, I'm just running Camtasia Studio, the program I'm using to record this, Malwarebytes, which I just used to run a scan on my computer, and the Microsoft Word, which I'm using for this document. Well, all these other processes are running, and they can cause your computer to slow down if there's lots and lots and lots of them. And some of them are programs, they're pieces and parts of programs that I may or may not often or even ever use. Here's Acronis right here to the top. I haven't run Acronis in a year or year and a half, but it's got some processes running. So that can be one cause of your computer running slowly. Now, even if your computer is not running slowly because of an excess of programs on your computer, maybe you have some programs on your computer that you don't need and they're taking up space that you would like to use for something else. Well, if either of these two questions get a yes answer, then the next one is, do you know how to completely uninstall a program? And if you don't, the remainder of this mini seminar will tell you how. A lot of people think that if you go to Windows Explorer or File Explorer and then go to Program Files, that you can delete the program that's in Program Files and get all of that program out of your computer. You'd get a lot of it, but not all. If you really want to get rid of a program for your computer, you have to use an uninstall program. And there are two ways to do that. The easiest way to uninstall a program, which works for most programs, is to go to your Start menu, find the icon for that program. Let's say we wanted to uninstall Acrobat Reader DC. And when you get to that icon for that program, right-click on it. And you will find for most programs an uninstall icon, and if you left-click here, your computer will uninstall Acrobat Reader DC. Here's another one, Adobe Photoshop Elements. If I right-click on that icon, I also find an uninstall icon and can uninstall Adobe Photoshop Elements that way. However, there are some programs on my computer, and probably on yours, that do not have an uninstall icon, an uninstall button when you right-click. If you go here and go down to Acronis Backup and right-click on that, you will find Pin to Start, you'll find More, and in More you'll find Pin to Taskbar, and open file location, but you will not find uninstall. So how do you reliably and completely uninstall a program that does not have an uninstall icon to click on the Start menu? Well, you go to Settings, and you're looking for Control Panel. So when you click on Settings, you will get lots of places to go into portions of your control panel. If you come down here to the one that says Apps or Applications, you'll see that one of the options is Uninstall. And when you click on that, you can come to Apps and Features. And that will list all the applications on your computer. And if you go to the one that you're trying to uninstall, which does not have an uninstall icon on the Start menu, and you click on that program, you will find an Uninstall button, which works just fine. That's it. That's how to safely and completely uninstall programs on your computer. I hope you found it useful. If you have found this tutorial useful, please click the red subscribe button at the bottom of your screen and click the thumbs up in the lower right.